If I were to recommend this to a fellow filmmaker, I would tell them this is a great way to not waste your time.
I think in an ideal scenario, you would be able to see everything all laid out together.
My name is C. Craig.
My name is Miranda Friel.
And I'm a writer and director.
And I'm the production designer
for the film Fathead. Our challenges that we faced before Bluescape were mostly time-based because of having to go pull things out of emails or find things in Drive. There wasn't a central hub for all of the information that we had.
Time is a big problem, but I think it's also just the inability to have everything all laid out in one place.
One of the things that has enhanced our lives because of Bluescape is when we go into it, we absolutely know who's working on what instantly.
It's amazing to see pieces of visual material from every department all laid out together. You can see the storyboards, you can see the reference imagery, and it's all there in the same place.